Welcome. Today we're learning how to sharpen your knives with a Whetstone sharpening kit. No, it's not spelled like you'd imagine. W-H-E-T, just something I learned through the process. I got this sharpening kit off of Amazon, and honestly, it's pretty great. It's affordable and works really well, so win-win. Here's what comes in the kit. You have 2 different sharpening blocks with 4 different grits. You can simply flip over the block to obtain a different grit, starting with the lower grit and moving to the higher. It comes with a nice rubber pad that goes right on the stone, and that pad lays snugly in a wooden holder. It comes with a plastic guide to help hold your knives at a perfect 15-degree angle, a leveling block to even out your stone, and then a leather strap to polish the edges of the knife after you're done sharpening it. The only thing not included in this kit is this right here, a bowl of water. You'll need to start off by soaking your whetstones for about 10 to 15 minutes. After you've done that, take your whetstone out, attach the rubber holder, and place it in the wooden block. You don't have to use your 15-degree guide. I find it really helpful. Make sure your stone is nice and wet. Use light pressure and push the knife away from you. You really don't need to push too hard, just gently sliding from the tip to the base. After about 12 to 15 strokes, flip the blade over and do the same on the other side. I then grabbed my other whetstone to level up the grit to 3000 and followed the same process. I only did about 10 to 12 passes on each side for this part. After you've done that, I always like to check the sharpness of my knife. Be super careful with this. If you don't feel comfortable using your thumb, a lot of people use a paper test, simply cutting a piece of paper, and it should almost cut acting like a scissors very easily. One thing to note, you may need to add a little bit of water as you change stones or even sides of the knife. I took a second and used my leveling block to make sure there wasn't any concave areas in my whetstone, and then took out the leather strap to polish it up. And just like that, my kitchen knife is back to its optimal sharpness. Very easy, very quick. And what I love about this is you can continue to use this whetstone over and over, where some other sharpening methods don't have as long of a lifespan. All right, this is a quick video. Hopefully it was helpful. Again, the link to this product is in the description. If you liked this, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, that's all. See you later.